And this is to show you guys. Uh-oh, flame out. Now the gas is going to build up again. But just about the time I was not expecting it, guess what? Poof. She caught on fire in there. And thankfully there wasn't enough fumes built up where it didn't go poof or nothing. So then I blew it out with the air hose so there wasn't no, so there wasn't any gases. I'm still shaking. Anyhow, so I blew it out with the air hose like I'm going to do now, and then I relit this thing and stuck it in there. It was burning stuff. But yeah, it's she ain't done yet. Okay, we're gonna light it back on fire and blow it out with the air hose. Maybe I'll set the camera down in case I blow myself up. Y'all know what happened. Can you see that? Yeah, we can see it. All right. Red dot oxygen, that's what goes out. Okay. Alright, well. Alright.